able to do things in a better, more efficient way.
Kamiti mar Azimio kod mano mar Kenya Kwanza ochopo winjruok mar loso oko mar od bura kokalo e twak ma gisebedo ka gilose. Giwinjore ni gino mokwongo ma gimiyo pek e loso en chuogo commission mar IBC.
Three options we had, which were purely parliamentary and extra parliamentary. We came up with, in between, a hybrid of the two. A hybrid of the two means this, that these talks will be both parliamentary and extra parliamentary. In the parliamentary, we mean that we will have the recognition of Parliament, recognizing this committee as existing and doing its work as part and parcel of Parliament, while extra parliamentary means that we will have people who are not parliamentarians coming in also into the talks.
So it is not uncommon. You negotiate your positions, and once there's consensus, then that necessarily limits intervention, because to interfere with the political pact, then you go back to square one. The means of reaching us so far is through us, the co-chairs. Okay? If you have anything, you bring to us through Parliament, and then we transfer to the Joint Secretary. But if you know them directly, you can also do that directly.